Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nagbibigay ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po ay quick update lang po tayo sa mga bago pong pasok na mga saro po of our performance-based bonus of different schools from different regions. Dahil kahapon po, ito po ay continuation dahil meron pa pong mga humabol na saro ng mga schools for their performance-based bonus. So, alamin po natin ano po ito, mga division and schools. So, ito po, September 20, kahapon po, 3 p.m. Then, DepEd, we have Florendo National High School. So, 2022 performance-based bonus of 79 employees. So, sila po ay from Region 11. So, mapapansin nyo po kahapon ay Region 9 po yung mga marami pong saro ng mga schools po from Region 9. Ngayon po ay Region 11. We have also Don Manuel A. Javellana Memorial National High School, Panabo City National High School, San Vicente National High School, Southern Davao National High School. Andito rin po ang Dr. Santiago Dacudao Senior National High School. So ito po mga schools ay from Saro from Region 11. Next we have Erico T. Nograles National High School, F. Bangoy National High School. We have also have F. Bustamante National High School, again from Region 11. So, check po natin na baka iba pong mga regions. Then, we have Governor Vicente Duterte National High School. We have Jesus J. Soriano National High School, Leon Garcia Senior National High School. So, check po natin. So, still from Region 11 po yung mga yun. Okay? So, check pa po natin ano po yung mga pumasok pa pong schools kahapon. Los Amigos National High School, Lower Tamugan National High School, J.F. Ferriols National High School, Maan National High School, Mabini National High School, Malabog National High School. So, ito pong mga to ay also from Region 11. So, check po natin. We have Marilog National High School, Mintal Comprehensive High School, Pablo Lorenzo National High School, Sirawan National High School, Sirib National High School, Santa Ana National High School, Tagakpan National High School, Talomo National High School. So, all of these schools po ay from Region 11. Okay? So, tignan po natin kung mayroon pa po mga pahabol. Chofilo V. Fernandez National High School, Division of Tagum City, Jose Tuason Memorial National High School, La Filipina National High School, Laureta National High School, Pipisan Maug National High School, Tagum City National Comprehensive High School. So, ito po, marami pong mga schools po, no? Ang nagkaroon po ng saro from Region 11. So far, yan po, Division of Digo City. Next po, we have Digo City National High School, Navarro National High School, Baguio National School of Arts and Trades. So, check po natin kung saan po itong Baguio. Still from Region 11, no? We have Bernardo Di Carpio National High School, Biao National High School, Binowang National High School, Binugaw National High School, Cabantian National High School, Kalinan, Catalunan Pequeño, Crossing Bayabas, Dacudao National High School, Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School. So, marami po, no, from Region 11 ang pumasok po. Division of Davao City. So, the rest po are more of, ito po yung sa mga differentials naman po. Okay? Check po natin. Do we still have other PBB? So, wala na po. So, yun lang po muna po, teachers. Ang mga list of schools from Region 11 na meron pong SARO for their performance-based bonus. So, subscribe lang po and hit the notification bell para updated po tayo pag may mga bagong SARO or other benefits from DepEd para po sa atin. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!